You know the old saying, tough as steel. Well, what if I told you there's a type of steel that's even tougher? I'm talking about 17.4 pH stainless steel, also known as 17.4. What exactly is 17.4 pH stainless steel, and why is it so special? 17.4 pH stainless steel is a type of steel that contains 17% chromium and 4% nickel and 4% copper. It also contains small amounts of other elements like manganese, silicon, and carbon. What makes 17.4 pH stainless steel unique is its combination of strength, corrosion resistance, and hardness. Due to its properties, 17.4 stainless steel is used in a wide variety of industries. Aerospace, medical, and oil and gas are just a few of the industries that rely on 17.4 for its durability and reliability. At Forte Precision Metals, we specialize in centerless grinding 17.4 pH stainless steel round bars to precise tolerances, ensuring that our customers receive the highest quality product possible. So whether you need 17.4 pH stainless steel round bars for your next aerospace project or for your oil and gas components, trust Forte Precision Metals to deliver the precision and quality you need. Visit our website to learn more about our 17.4 pH stainless steel round bars and our centerless grinding services.